All right, we're recording. Cool. Hey everyone, thanks for heading back to the channel to check out what's going on today. Today is horrible, absolutely horrible. It first off, it's Thursday here. Actually, I can't even remember what day it is. It's Wednesday, December 30th. We have one trading day left tomorrow on New Year's Eve, and I screwed up the day horribly here. I erased yesterday's gain. I mean, down 1,086. So it's ridiculous. Really frustrated. And this can kind of be chummed up to one trade in particular. There was a few of them, but one in particular that really created my drawdown. So let's look at this. We're setting up 720 on the week. But once again, we had a horrible last week, so I'm trying to recover from that. Only up 66 on the month here. And, today the goal was, to try to get green again. And if it was going to be red, to not take it that deep. But here I am, screwing up again. So it's just how it goes. And yeah, very frustrating. So let's take a look at this. This is the running balance here. Today I was actually green. I got up to 200 and went from 200 all the way down to 1,021, down 1,021. So technically it was actually two trades here. Yeah, because I had one that took me from positive 219 to down 197 all the way to 1,021. So that was on IPDN. You can see it right here. This is where the slip up was. I'll go to the chart and show you. Yeah, and unfortunately, man, that is where we sit today. Let me see if I can fix this. 306. Yeah, so down negative 863 on the journey. And I'm looking pretty stupid right now, so yeah. You guys saw the calendar here, so let's go into the trade. 1,086. Okay, well, here we are, and today once again, I practiced some patience and discipline in not trading anything at the market open, which was good because it seemed like not much was going on and a few things were just failing. So I really didn't get any trades in until IPDN here just started ripping really hard. And this was incredible. So I saw this and I was able to get, I think, a trade in before the halt, right? And I was thinking this thing is looking really good, a lot of strength here. And then once it opened back up, I got another trade in, and I really wanted to minimize risk here, and so I just sold out and had a little profit here. And I think I had one more trade in here. Or no, I didn't have any trades in here because I was thinking this thing is going so hard, it's bound to flip. And who knows if, after this halt right here, it just drops. That could be the possibility of that happening. And I see it just rip up again, go right into another halt. So it's like, damn, this thing has some serious strength. And I'm feeling serious FOMO because I could have had some, had I held, man, I would have been up huge. And, that's all hindsight, honestly. And that's the frustrating piece to it. And when it went into this halt, I was thinking, you know what? Let me see, let it open up, and we'll see where it goes. It might go straight down. In that case, I'll be great. But if it goes up a little bit, or if it looks like it wants to continue, maybe I'll try to, get in on a quick dip and ride it up. And so look, it opens up, and has this hard squeeze. And as soon as I saw it drop for just a second, which is right in this area, yeah, I think I had like 470, 472. I hopped in here looking for that quick dip and then the rest of the pull up. And that's where I made the huge mistake. And it continued to go down and I held it. And so I'll try to go back. Let me see if I have the exact time frame when that happened. When was this? 10/19. Yeah, this had to be on 10/22. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, 10/22. I went in for a buy at 495. Boom, so snagged it right here when I saw it drop to 495, grabbed it right here. And then, that curl never happened and it just failed big time. And I held it until I only had 600 shares, but because of that massive drop, it went to, I had to let it go at 425, right in here. So pretty big drop there. And I decided, you know what, I can't hold this thing. If this drops any further, I'll be really screwed. So I cut it right there. And that's where I had to leave it. And I think what happened here on this move up was there was really no good clear pullbacks on this move. It was so fast and so strong. It happened so quickly that, when it first popped up, I was just looking for a little bit of a pullback and then, a little bit of a rest, then hopping in and going higher. But this thing didn't have any red candles on it, no micro pullbacks, no nothing. And because of all that strength so fast, I think that's why it, got up to this high point and just reversed and said, see you later, I'm headed south. That's exactly what happened. And we did get it failed and just consolidated. And so I was watching this consolidation thinking, hey, it might curl. And so I started to do an anticipation trades, trying to get in before this rip up. And I did have a few trades in here, a few tiny losses, and then unfortunately I just didn't time this awesome green candle, and I did get a piece of it, but it was one of those things with FOMO. Once I saw, I got in, it moved up and sold, and so I got a nice little chunk there, but then I see it continuing all the way up to here to 495, and to see that much of a move, I thought, man, this thing might go again, and it's probably gonna break the high if it continues. And so I hopped in again, right in here, and once again, I screwed up on it and misjudged it, and it went right, back down and sold for another loss there. And that really, those two trades really put me in the hole. And I'm just frustrated about it because I did great on the last 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, and was hoping that would, we could continue that, but of course not. And I'm just frustrated because of it, and it really never, I was hoping and thinking that, hey, if we have another curl up, we could test the highs here, but we did have a curl, but I traded so much in here just and trying to anticipate that move up that it was just a ton of trades, and it was nothing really good. A lot of losses, a few wins, nothing good. And let's look at the running balance here. Where was it? Here we go. Yeah, and I just went sideways all the rest of the day. So, you know, those were my two mistakes there, and then the other mistake of just trying to FOMO trade and try to trade out of it. I had a ton of trades, and nothing was really that great. So that's where I'm sitting. You know, it's Wednesday here. We've got one last day of the trading month, of the trading year, actually. And I'm up 66, which is nothing to show for this month. And yeah, kind of looking forward to the new year here. And I've been doing just so much trading here and nothing to really show for it, which is so sad because I had a lot of great green days. But, you know, a few of those red days will, if they're big enough, they'll kill your profits. So that's where I stand. That's where I'll leave it. And I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Just trying to be honest here and show the real struggle of trading, what it's like, and, you know, the real truth of it. So if you're enjoying this, make sure to subscribe, like the channel, because I do this daily, every day the market's open. So you guys can really see what I'm trading and how my profits and losses are going. Just to maybe kind of compare and yeah, once again, I think it's sometimes nice to know that other people, you know, on your big red days, you know, you're down on the hole with other people, and some days on your green days, you can celebrate with others, but it's sometimes a lonely journey. So that's, I guess, why I'm doing this as well, to maybe bring some community and camaraderie to trading. And because it's like a solo sport, but, you know, this part of it we get to share and really reflect on how we're doing. So that's where I sit. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like this video, and we'll see ya on the next one. Take care.